So the custom Frontier rear bumper has been in a rear end collision. Bent the whole center section here. It's completely bowed in, and the body shop tried to pull it out, but they couldn't, so ended up welding a new center section. Just kind of replicated this. Just re-welded it here, and then I did a butt weld that I grinded down here, so it's completely smooth. The customer won't be towing anything, so this is more for looks or very light recoveries. Just have to weld in some of those parking sensors into here, but otherwise it's ready to be sent off to powder coat and reinstalled onto the truck. Bumper just came back from powder coating and it looks pretty fresh, ready to be installed on the car again. Looks exactly like how it's supposed to be when it first rolled out of the shop. And that's it. Bumper's all on. Everything's straight. No more damage in the back. Truck's all good to go.